One of the coolest things about having a website and an online business is the ability to automate it. And so by automating it, what it means is basically setting up some rules, telling a program what to do when you're not around, and then it just runs it automatically. And one of the most popular ones is email automation, which basically you've seen it before. Sometimes you'll sign up for something, you get an email back says, sign up and submit to subscribe, and then another email comes and says thank you very much for subscribing. A few days later, you get an email. Well, that's automated email for the most part. Then there's also sales funnels, which work very similar to that, and you can also automate your social media posting. So below are some of the best free tools for that. And after you've gone ahead and selected those, we'll move on to how to connect all of this with Google. Thank you so much.